Welcome to ATBS and the best way for owner-operators to manage and profit in their trucking business. Your success depends on much more than the miles you drive. The only way to profitability is to track expenses, record income, and work within a budget that fits your business. While you're running your trucking business, ATBS keeps track of all the accounting and bookkeeping so that you, as an owner-operator, can do what you do best, drive for profit.
ATBS was developed with owner-operators in mind in 1998, and the reason that we created the company was just simply to help them be more successful. What we realized long ago was that it's a hard enough job driving the truck and worrying about being safe and all those kinds of things, and that most guys just don't want to take the time and energy and effort to deal with their receipts and their accounting and their taxes and all that kind of stuff. And our job is just to take that burden away from the driver and let him do what he does best and drive his truck.
From the collection of your receipts to processing your tax information, ATBS knows what you need to be successful. How does a 40% increase in profitability fit into your plans? Over 40,000 truckers now benefit from our services. Take a look at the specifics of what we offer. Standard business services include bookkeeping and accounting, the tracking of your expenses through receipt collection and settlement records. Be assured that your personal information is safe and secure with our advanced security procedures. Budgeting will help you create a financial roadmap so you know where you want to go and what you need to do to get there. Monthly profit and loss reports to keep you moving in a profitable direction and letting you know when adjustments should be made. Industry benchmarking statistics to let you know how you're doing compared to other owner-operators. It's your leg up on the competition. Business consultants are available anytime, so you're never alone when important decisions need to be made. And taxes. It's an ATBS specialty. With the ability to save you thousands in taxes over the life of your business, Taxes for Truckers is our specialty, not a sideline.
What we do is we do monthly profit and loss statements for each of our drivers, and then we measure how their tax situation is going to be impacted by those profit and loss statements. We tell you what your quarterly estimate should be based on your trucking business, not just based on what your prior year tax return is about. You should pretty much break even on your tax return, not have a large liability or a large refund coming back, and make the tax process seamless.
Taxes are a year-round concern, and we'll provide quarterly estimates to keep your payments on schedule and on time.
For the customer, it's a very simple process. Once a month, they gather up all the receipts for their business, slip them into an envelope, apply their unique identification, their ATBS code identification to the back of the envelope, add their name, and then mail them in to us.
We don't have paper documents around in our department. Everything is scanned in a secured, protected file. We don't leave the paper documents laying around. Everything is stored in locked storage rooms once we receive the documents. We use benchmarking data to make sure that our taxpayers are getting every legal deduction available to them, and therefore we put a little more time into preparing a tax return for our clients.
Those are the basic services, but ATBS, founded by truckers for a changing trucking industry, takes it a step further. Make that 2 steps.
This is the 4th biggest expense you have on a truck is your tires, so take care of them and they'll take care of you.
Maintenance Management Services, MMS, is a forward-looking program to keep you up and running. Maintenance on your truck shouldn't happen when something breaks down. Maintenance is a predictable and regularly scheduled part of trucking.
We have a lot of tools available to us. Some of them are fluid analysis, things that we can look at that not every owner-operator can do, and give them some recommendations on how they can better maintain that and keep their costs down.
ATBS will get you on a program designed specifically for your equipment and your schedule, right down to types of loads and hauling distances. The whole idea is to reduce unexpected shop time, keep costs under control, and keep you running for profitability. We know your truck's specific need and how to keep you moving. Our experts have a plan tailored to your operation.
The old school way of thinking is that we wait until the truck breaks before we take it into a facility to have it repaired. If we wait that long, it's always going to be more expensive than if we are preventative in our approach and catch that component prior to that catastrophic failure.
As an owner-operator, you know that trucking is a complex business, a lifestyle that requires your active participation. ATBS has designed a course of instruction to help you get firm control of everything your business requires. We call it our Course of Advanced Business Standards, or CABS program.
CABS, the Course of Advanced Business Standards, is designed to help you in your business. Truckers are very good at running their trucking business, driving down the road, getting the miles that they need, but they may not be as good at handling the business side of the equation, and that's what CABS does. It teaches you how to run your business better, be more successful, and be more profitable. It's based on the expertise of everybody here at ATBS. We have experts in maintenance, in tax, in accounting, consulting, years of experience in the trucking industry, and we took that experience and brought it together in a 12-lesson program.
CABS is a work-at-home or work-in-the-truck course, requiring the owner-operator to become an active participant in his or her future by finishing a 6-month course on your schedule. Audio CDs allow you to listen to the program while you're driving and earning revenue.
There are also activities in many of the lessons so that you can take the information that you learned, use information from your own business, and incorporate it together so that you can see how it fits your own life, your own business, and the things that you're doing in running your truck down the road.
Instructors are always available, and when you've completed the course, there's a test at the end to ensure that each student gets the most out of this comprehensive program. Don't guess if you're running your trucking business the right way. Join the CABS course and we'll show you how. Profit and loss, taxes, maintenance, industry comparisons, consulting, and advanced learning. These are all elements of the ATBS approach to making your trucking business profitable.
This front rear end come up with a bent of metal in the oil. We drove another sample, and it came back with metal again. So we caught it before the thing grenaded going down the highway. That made me a believer right off the get-go that, maybe they have something on here that, really does work.
The knowledge that they have is there. There's endless information through this CABS course and ATBS. It's a great course, and I would recommend it to anybody who decides to become owner-operator.
We've used other accounting firms before, and we're not very happy with them. Used one that waited till 3 days before tax time to tell me I owe the government $6,000. ATBS has always kept us abreast of what's going on. They call me up periodically to tell me how we're doing, and I'd recommend ATBS to anybody.
We're helping people every single day. We're helping people be more successful in their business. It's not just about sorting the receipts and helping them do their taxes. We go in depth with our consulting group to help them really understand how they can improve and be more successful and make good decisions. Every day at the end of the day, it just feels incredibly rewarding to have helped somebody be more successful today than they were yesterday.
ATBS, the owner-operator's way to a successful trucking business, and it's spelled ATBS.